G'day. Now, the available garden beds have pretty much been occupied, and I reckon that the front of this house would benefit from a bit of plant life. And so today, I'm going to start a garden on this front wall. When you're marking up where your wall mount is going to go, remember to think about where you want your top pot to be. Don't forget that the plant is going to grow up from there. I'm drilling into cypress, and so I reckon it's a good idea to put a bit of masking tape over the holes to stop the wood from splitting. That's not going anywhere. Fit the hooks, 2 per pot. Okay, job done. Or should I say almost done. I've got to fill these other tubs, and I want to balance out the other side of the door with another garden. But in that one, I'm going to mix and match with different kinds of pots, and I'll put some herbs in there, you know, some plants that'll do better with a bit more shade. You might have noticed that the plants I'm adding are still in their original pots. That's something to think about when using this kind of system. Sometimes what you bring back from the nursery will be happy in its original pot for a while at least, and so why not put it straight into a tub? This also works when you want to bang in a bit of short-term seasonal colour. With garden up wall mounts, you can turn any wall into a living, creative canvas. And you don't just have to think vertically. When you mount these things horizontally, your options keep multiplying. Now, if you like the idea of turning your walls into growing space, there are a number of types of pots in the range which, when married up to the right hook, will let you position the pot directly onto a wall, direct to slats, or in this case, directly onto this wire mesh grid. You can see the difference that this has made, and seriously, it's been no more complicated than hanging a few picture frames. Whites have plenty of other clever ideas to help bring your garden to life, and they're available from your local Bunnings.